Good evening, everyone. This is Mohan Kumar from Texila American University. So, assistant team leader handling postgraduate programs across in India. So, I welcome you all. That this webinar session is regarding the referral on the topic of earn big with our referral program. So, refer your friends and colleagues and receive 2000 USD as your referral bonus. So, firstly, regarding Texila, like Texila American University is actually located in South America, Guyana. So it consists of universities and campuses spread across countries. So in that, TIM offers postgraduate program in India in various mainstream branches. So our postgraduate medicine courses are well designed with advanced training of Royal College curriculum. So our vision and mission would be like to be recognized as a leader committed to excellence in higher education, research and innovation that meets the aspirants of the global community. And our vision would be to create health professionals for excellence in contemporary world of tomorrow and to generate awareness in the application of health science and wellness of the welfare of the society. So this is our accreditation and recognition. So where Texila American University is accredited around the globe. So we do provide this postgraduate program which I am currently handling in Texila, which is in internal medicine. All these are main specialization, which is in internal medicine, general surgery, pediatrics, OBG, and radiology. So these five specialization are a 3 years duration. It's a proper postgraduate qualification equivalent to MDMS in India. So all these are recognized by medical council. And the last one will be clinical cardiology, which is of 2 years duration. So all these six specialization is offered in India, and we do have tied up hospitals, NABH accredited teaching hospitals across India in Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and in Vizag. So students can select any of these six specialization in whichever city they are nearby to, and they can do their 3 years or 2 years regular mode program in that particular specialization in the particular hospital. So coming to the topic, like what is this student referral program? So Texila American University referral fund program is an opportunity for pursuing students or referral ambassadors to create awareness among their friends, relatives, colleagues about our medicine program. So, students who are pursuing as well as students who want to join, or they can refer their friends, colleagues to this program so that they will earn the referral bonus. So, as students, our Texila students are also referring their juniors or seniors or their colleagues to our university so that they will be also getting benefited as well. And every Texila member or ambassadors can be a referral or tag associate member by referring your colleague or friends or relatives. So either be a part of Texila students or outside Texila, any doctors can refer their friends and they can earn the referral bonus. So the eligibility criteria for doing this postgraduate program in these five specialization will be it's a 3 years duration, as I said. It's a hospital based program. So the eligibility criteria would be MBBS with medical council registration or state medical council with internship completion. And the same applies for cardiology specialty as well, which is for 2 years duration. It is also a hospital based program, contact program it is. The same eligibility criteria applies. Medical council registration post MBBS and with 1 year of internship. So how the referral programs works is firstly initially you'll be referring a friend, and once the friend gets enrolled, then you will receive the referral bonus. Plus once the student joins, like students eligibility letter, students will be getting scholarship as well if they are referred by you. So these are all the benefits that joining students will be getting, and post joined you will be also the referral, the person who is referring also will be getting the referral bonus as well. So how that will be working is like when our students refer their friends, not only do they strengthen like TAU's network, but also students can earn guaranteed scholarship on the tuition fees for the referral. So that's one advantage. And when your friend or colleague, that is the referred student, they will be availing the scholarship benefits as well. So students who are going to join, they will be getting the scholarship as well when they are under this referral program. and the students like RA will be getting the referral bonus of some like 400 USD to 2000 USD based on the program you refer. Say for example, if a student is being referred for the mainstream branches of medicine, surgery, OBG, pediatrics, and radiology, so those five postgraduate program, if a student is being referred, so their referral they'll be getting 2000 USD, which is 1.6 lakhs per student. So by referring your colleague, you will be becoming a referral associate, and if any of your colleague is interested and you motivate them to join the program, then you become a tag associate. So if you are referring your friend and once they are joining, then you'll be getting 2000 USD as a referral amount. So this is how you will be referring your friend. So this link I'll be also posting in the chat box or Q&A box, so that you can use this link to refer your friend. So initially our advisor will contact you and update you the PG programs to help you guide your friends, because only if you understand the program you will be able to refer your friend, or you will be able to guide your friends by explaining the program to them. And then we will contact your referred friend to check their interest and also to provide you the program details. So firstly we'll be explaining you the basics of this program, how it works, like how the PG program syllabus, curriculum, course details and all. And after that we'll be calling the actual referred students and we'll be providing the program details to and get the documents and get the eligibility letter. And once the student join the classes, then they you will be getting the referral bonus, like I said, like close to 400 to 2000 USD based on the program that you refer your friend. So these are our student testimonials. So these are our students who are currently pursuing and was also completed as well. So as I mentioned, the first one is Kirtika Devraj Gowda. She has cleared all the three parts of MRCOG and she is currently practicing in Australia. And the second one and third one, the students who are currently pursuing, they have already cleared their part one in radiology FRCR. And the last two are the internal medicine students and the general medicine students who are passed out alumni. So we Texila American University, we have over like 250 students who are currently pursuing across India in all various specialization across India in those cities which I mentioned, like Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, in all metro cities. And so this is about the referral program. So I will be posting the link in the chat box, so students can use that link and they can refer their friends as well. And this is regarding like Monday's webinar. So if you students are interested in the Monday's topic, that will be like things to know about FRCR training. So everything regarding FRCR program will be included in that Monday's webinar. So which includes like MRI, CT scan, ultrasound, everything. Our speaker, Dr. Abigail, who is currently pursuing radiology FRCR in Aditya Birla Hospital. So she will be presenting the webinar by Monday on this same topic regarding FRCR. So if you or your friends are interested to know about this FRCR training, how it works, kindly do join the webinar link which I'll be posting in the chat box. And so you can register and you can attend the webinar by Monday 4 to 5 p.m. And if you have any queries regarding this referral form or any doubts or clarifications regarding this, you can contact with the same email ID and the WhatsApp number, which also I'll be posting in the chat box, so that you can contact me then, so that I can clarify your doubts as well. So thank you everyone. So this is how the referral program works. So if you have any queries, so that I can you can post it in the chat box so that I can answer your queries.
Okay, Mohan, I have a doubt. This is regarding how will the referral amount be given to the RAs and what are the payment mode? I'll
Okay,
be
so what?
posting this question in the Q&A.
Sure.
Sorry, I will post in the chat box.
So RA will be getting the once the student join the classes, the RA they'll be getting the referral amount. It will be deposited in their bank account. So once the students join the classes, we will be contacting the RA and getting their ID proof, bank passbook or first page of their passbook, and we will be initiating it from our end, including all the proofs, everything. We'll be submitting it to the portal, and once it is in the final level, once it is through to the finance team, then it will be credited to the RA's bank account directly. So it will be directly credited to the student's bank account. Say for example 2000 USD, so 1.6 lakhs will be credited to the RA's account. So that's how it works. That how it will be transferred. That's the payment mode. It will be directly credited to the RA's account.
Okay, Mohan, thank you. By this, we will end the session. A big virtual thanks to each and everyone for you making a webinar a grand success. Thank you, Mohan.
Thank you.
So yeah.